Hello everyone. So today I don't really have any specific topic to talk about. So I thought I'll just show you around. So this is the Baylis Memorial Park. I come here quite regularly. I like coming here. It's a nice park, big park, and this pond is the highlight of the park. There are a lot of ducks here. I think it feels good when you are in a park with a lot of birds. And usually people come here to feed these pigeons and ducks, and I guess they are fighting right now. This park, or especially this pond, is right in front of the Ramgarhia Gurdwara. So in case you are wondering where this park is, it is actually quite approachable. And the Horlicks factory which I showed you is also nearby. I mean, not really the factory anymore, it is basically the residential complex now. The weather today is really beautiful. I'm not really sure what these ducks are doing. I guess in the morning or whenever it is sunny, they just come out of the water. I guess they also need sunlight. I'm not really sure if these birds they make vitamin D. I guess not. Maybe it is just human beings. Maybe I need to do some research. I don't know about these. Are these ducks? To be honest, I don't really think these are ducks. To be honest, I'm confused. These ducks and usually, I mean, even if you talk about the pigeons, they are not really afraid of human beings. I mean, of course, if you try to come too near to them, they will, of course, run away. But I think they're used to human beings around them, which is a good thing. And especially these pigeons. These pigeons are, I mean, if you just sit on a bench, usually you will find a pigeon or few pigeons around you. Especially if you're eating something, then they will definitely come near you. Okay, the time is, I believe, 8:30 in the morning, and someone is bursting firecrackers. Good, good. The sky is really blue today, and this is a nice shot with the contrast, blue background, green leaves. I'm trying to learn gardening and trying to also make myself familiar with the different type of plants, flowers. This is one area where I never really did a lot of learning. I of course studied about these things, uh, you know, biology, and I remember when I was in school we had, especially in the 11th and 12th standard, if you if you are from CBSE board, you learn about these things. You're supposed to learn about these things, and I of course know a bit, but not really a lot. I don't really know about most of the trees, but I think you can always learn. Good thing about these parks here in UK, or at least in some areas where I've seen, they have a barcode. So the place where I live is called as Burnham, which is right next to Slough, on the edge of Slough, and there is a park called Burnham Park. If you are, let us say, walking in a park and you notice a tree, so there will be like a barcode or some kind of a sign telling you about the tree. And the barcode, if you scan it, I think it will take you to their website, I guess, which is a good thing. I think it is always good to educate people, and sometimes I'm always curious to know what all can be done, or where all this particular plant is used. I guess these plants, or most of these plants, are or can be used maybe in making medicines, I guess, because if you are from Delhi, in Delhi we have a lot of eucalyptus trees, and eucalyptus trees are definitely used for making those aromatic, not really just aromatic, but soothing, I guess, medicines that are definitely used when you have, or give you relief when you have cold. I quite like sitting on this side of the park, which is so basically there is a wall here, and if you are sitting on the other side, you won't find a lot of people here. And good thing about these parks is that you will not just these parks, but also in general there are dedicated cycling and walking or running routes, and these routes have, I guess, their own unique number to identify. And this particular route or this path, if you walk from that Baylis Park from the other side, it can take you all the way to um, I think it's like a mile-ish, maybe a mile-long path, and it will take you to, I think, the road which is near the roundabout of Lidl or Checkout. So basically, I'm going to Lidl right now, and I'll probably go straight on this path, and then I'll turn left. I could have taken the Farnham Road as well, but Farnham Road is a bit noisy, or you have to basically cross. I mean, I don't really want to see cars in the morning. I prefer trees, and I like this path actually. And this school on the so there is a school on the right hand side. I think it is Baylis school, I guess. And Herschel Grammar School is also on the is actually on right next to the Baylis Memorial Park. And I believe Herschel Grammar School is a really good one. I guess there is some rating of these schools for especially for 11 plus. Today is Saturday, and I do have plans to. I'm not really going anywhere today. I'll probably stay at home and work on my garden. These days, I've started taking care of my garden. I think it is a bit therapeutic, I guess, because when you spend time taking care of your garden, your plants, when you do gardening, it is, of course, going to relax your mind, which I feel I think it is definitely useful. But at the same time, I think it is also good for your body because you exercise. Because last time I mean, have been working on my garden, so I have to, of course, use my tools and I have to sit down. It's like doing squatting every now and then of course when I'm lifting my garden tools and of course I'm walking around, cutting grass, cutting plants. Today I have plans to clean my front garden, and I feel that after doing all this, it is of course going to make you definitely a bit more tired, than usual because you are, of course, doing a lot of things. Of course, I do work standing up, but when you're doing something with your hands, with your upper body, and if you are, of course, using your legs all day long, then definitely it is good for your health, I guess. And I don't really go to gym anymore. I mean, to be honest, I haven't really been to a gym in the last 6 years. I tried going to gym twice, but these days I'm now just focusing on body weight exercise, walking, and gardening. All right, so let us end the video here. I'm about to reach Lidl. Bye bye.